How to turn on updates from friends, email notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on email from friends, how to turn on updates from friends, email notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then notifications. Now all you need to do is just one click here, one click on this one, updates from friends, and then just click email and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.